Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone are surviving well. So it's a really great day when it's somebody else's birthday, somebody else's anniversary, and they send you a gift. And that's exactly what has happened here today. This is from Sofirn. Thank you very much, Sofirn. I greatly appreciate you sending this into the channel. This is going to be the SE1 16th anniversary limited gift box set. Happy anniversary, Sofirn. That is really awesome. If you don't know Sofirn, you better check them out. They are one of my favorite flashlight companies. They make some quality flashlights at affordable prices, very budget prices, but high quality flashlights. It's amazing. I don't quite know how they do it. But anyways, they sent this into the channel for us to take a look at. It is a commemorative set, and I'm very impressed by it. I really hope that once they sell out of these, they continue making the SE1 and other finishes and other materials, and it's just a really great flashlight, and really excited to show this off to you. Now, I do have to tell you that this is not a formal flashlight review, because they did ask me to just to do an unboxing, go over the flashlight, and well, celebrate the anniversary. I will do a formal flashlight review at a later date, but if you're hell-bent on knowing all the details, you can pause the video and zoom in on that if you so desire. But otherwise, let's take a look at the flashlight and everything else that's inside the box. So first off, it does come stickered, and I do have to admit that I did pre-game this. I did take a look at everything inside here. I have no self-control. I'm sorry. You do have some nice looking stuff here. Now you see the flashlight first and foremost. That's the flashlight. We have a Sofirn coin here, and I believe that's in copper. Brave the night, reach the light. Sofirn, 16th anniversary. And we have a letter here from the founder, and I gotta say, not enough people do wax seals anymore. That's pretty cool. I did break that already, and I'm not going to insult him by trying to pronounce his name, but that's the founder of Sofirn. And if you want to read this, you can pause the video and read it, but I'll read the top line there. Thank you for standing with us through 16 years of building, learning, and improving. All right, and keep in mind there's more stuff in the bottom of this box here. Pull that out, and you may first see the multi-tool carabiner. And this is probably the first and last time you ever hear me say this, but I really wish that they put some branding on here. They could have put Sofirn right there. Otherwise, this is a cool little carabiner. We have a couple of wrenches there, a couple of screwdrivers, your hole for your lanyard, bottle opener, and a slip joint knife. We also have an elastic strap for the flashlight, and I don't think that's quite big enough for my head. It might be big enough for yours, but most likely that this is a wrist strap. And we have a box here. Sounds like candy in there, doesn't it? All right. First we see, all right, welcome to the Sofirn family. And read me, the light comes locked by default. Press the button 3 times to unlock it before using. Otherwise, it's not going to work as intended. We have the user manual, which I swear the manual is bigger than the flashlight. Funny, we're not going to need that. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Split ring. And a breakaway chain. Alright, that's everything in the box. So that's the little flashlight right there. It is a clip light. And it is a quick release clip module system, they say. Because both sides have magnets. So when you put them together, they really stick together. We have the USB Type-C charging port. The holes there for your little dangly bits. SE1 designation right there. And your 2 emitters. We have Sofirn and then the multifunction button on top. Now this is the influencer model. Now the actual production model will have a serial number right there, 1 through 1,000. Make sure you get on this if you really wanted this, because this is dropping on April 20th and they are limited to 1,000 sets worldwide. So again, make sure you jump on this. So when they drop this, it's going to be at $46.99 plus 15% off for the drop. So it is going to be immediately on sale when they drop it. I will leave the links down in the description so you can jump on it if you are inclined to get this. Let's take a look at the lights themselves. So quick press, and we come in on moonlight, and I swear that does not blink in person. And once I increase the output, it stops blinking on camera. That's pretty bright in person. So one press shuts it off, double press turns the UV on, and then press and hold, we turn the RGBs on. That looks like green on camera, but in real life that's red. Double press, we have, that's green right there, that's a very bright green. Double press, we have the, of course, the phony mode. Double press, and we have the rainbow effect. Double press, we go back to red. Pretty cool little light. I'm really excited about this. I love my clip lights, and this is definitely going to be one of my favorites. So you can put this on your hat if you have. If I had a hat, I'd put it on. You can put it on that wrist strap. That wrist strap will go right through that right there. So I want to thank Sofirn for sending this out to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. And happy anniversary. This is really awesome. If you want to help support this channel, the best thing you can do is follow the links to this down in the description and take a look at it and maybe pick one up for yourself. Otherwise, you can hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and if you see it, hit that hype button. And whatever you want to do, I greatly appreciate. But I appreciate most of all you stopping in and checking out this video. And I really hope you're having an amazing day. I'll see you next time.
Cheap suit, scuff boots, same bar, same boot. Lipstick on my collar, but the color ain't yours. Ashtray full of endings. I keep asking for more. Slow grin, crooked glass, watching every good thing walk right past. Dealer knows my name, keeps the aces out of sight. I keep betting on a broken hand each night. Bad luck, lullaby. Bad luck, lullaby. Sing me to sleep, then you shake me awake. You kiss me soft, then you sharpen the blade. Bad luck, lullaby. Bad luck, lullaby. Rock me in time till I'm ready to break. You tuck me in, then you watch me fade. The two gone, jukebox hums my favorite wrong. Your shadow on the door like a storm rolling in. I'm praying for salvation, but I'm wide for sin. You say, this time we'll change. Same line, I taste that promise like a match on my tongue. Every word you're selling burns the back of my lungs. Bad luck, lullaby. Bad luck, lullaby. Sing me to sleep, then you shake me awake. You kiss me soft, and you sharpen the blade. tried to cut you loose, but you fit me like a bruise. Guess some chains feel like a home when you're scared to be alone. Kiss me soft and you sharpen the blade. Bad luck, lullaby. Bad luck, lullaby. Rock me in time till I'm ready to break. You write my name in the smoke and the haze. Bad luck, lullaby. Oh, bad luck, lullaby. Hold that note on my name while the sparks all die.